mystery of sacrifice is the man should sacrifice. All is conditioned for the divine station of God. The station of God is mercy, kindness, forgiveness, sacrifice, favor, grace, and giving life to the spirit and lighting the fire of His love in the heart and artery. Sacrifice is the man should sacrifice. All is conditioned for the divine station of God. The station of God is mercy, kindness, forgiveness, sacrifice, Oina nunian dapat ayah.